Are you planning to pursue a career in digital marketing? Introducing the AI-driven digital marketing course of the Institute of Career Excellence. Since 2018, digital marketing jobs have surged by over 63% worldwide, as companies realize they can't afford to ignore the digital landscape. Today, over 86,000 digital marketing job positions are open. This is where the Institute of Career Excellence's digital marketing course can be your career launch pad. Our job-focused courses cover in-demand skills in social media marketing, ad creation, and SEO, opening doors to career opportunities such as digital marketing specialist, social media manager, SEO specialist, content strategist, and PPC campaign manager. Led by industry pros, our curriculum is designed to make you career-ready. Our program is packed with career-boosting benefits like LinkedIn profile building masterclass, resume building, mock interviews, 24/7 community support, and exclusive access to a job portal to fast-track your opportunities. Moreover, get hands-on experience with 20+ digital marketing tools and AI tools, and guidance for over 10+ career-enhancing certifications. Why choose the Institute of Career Excellence? Practical skill set building. Learn from industry experts. Assured internship opportunities. Job-ready preparation. Weekday and weekend batches available. Enroll now.